Hi, and welcome to Scrapbook.com. If you prefer funny holiday cards, we have the perfect stamp set for you. The Sassy Christmas Stamp Set features fun sentiments, perfect for adding a little sass to your holiday cards this year. This lighthearted stamp set includes 9 fun and slightly snarky sentiments on a 4x6 stamp sheet. This stamp set is perfect for card makers who love to send funny holiday cards to family and friends. The first stamp says, "Spoiler alert, it's coal." You know why. That would be so cute on the outside of your envelope for Christmas. The next one says, "Let's celebrate Christmas. Cookies are mandatory. Relatives are optional." This one says, "I hope you like the present you told me to buy for you. 'Cause if you don't, it's all your fault." This one's fun. "All I want for Christmas is you. I mean cash. 'Cause who doesn't want guilt-free shopping at Christmas time?" This one's fun. "Looking forward to holiday parties we skip together." Everyone dreads those certain holiday parties that are just obligatory. You know someone would really get a kick out of that. This one says, "I have no elf control around you." This is pretty true. It's all fun and games till Santa checks the naughty list. Anyone out there on the naughty list this year? This one says, "Merry Christmas. This festive card is your gift." And then the last one, way down here, just tiny, would be fun on the outside of an envelope or on the very back of the card or at the very bottom of your card. "Santa doesn't believe in you either." Kind of funny. Just cute, sassy little snarky sentiments that would be a non-traditional Christmas card. Let's take a look at some samples. I love this watercolor card with cookies on the back that says, "Let's celebrate Christmas. Cookies are mandatory. Relatives are optional." This is fun. Love the green and the craft colored paper with the cookies and the milk. So fun. Same stamp, totally different look. I love the 2 different ways to use that. And then the last one uses a couple different stamp sets to make this beautiful coal card. Spoiler alert, it's coal. You know why. And then some from the other sentiment stamp set, the Naughty and Nice. The 364 Days of Fun, 1 Day of Coal. Worth it. As well as check 1. Naughty, nice, I tried. I just think that is so much fun. Simple, just beautiful, clean, crisp, lovely card to send to get a quick laugh out of a friend. And that is the Sassy Christmas Stamp Set. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.